In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know how to set a start date, list tasks, add durations, link dependencies, assign resources, and refine your timeline so it reflects how work actually gets done. First, set up your project. Open your file or create a new one, then go to Project and choose Project Information. Set the start date to tell Microsoft Project when your schedule begins. Before you move on, make sure the working time matches reality. Check that your calendar reflects normal work hours, weekends, and holidays, because those settings directly determine when tasks can start and finish. If your organization observes specific non-working days, adjust the calendar now so your dates don't slip later. Next, list your tasks in the Gantt chart view. In the Task Name column, type each piece of work. Organize bigger phases using summary tasks and subtasks so the plan is readable and easier to manage. For example, you might create phases like Define Scope, Design, Develop, Test, and Deploy. Keep task names short but clear, focusing on outcomes rather than vague labels. Now give each task a duration. In the Duration column, enter how long the work will take, such as 5D for 5 days. Press Enter, and you'll see bars appear on the Gantt chart based on your project's start date. You can use minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months. Pick the unit that matches how you plan, and avoid guessing overly precise durations. It's okay if durations change later. Project will recalculate as you refine the plan. With tasks in place, link them with dependencies to reflect the real order of work. The quickest way is to select a task and drag the small connector at the end of its bar to the next task's bar. That creates a finish-to-start relationship, which means the next task begins when the previous one finishes. You can also type predecessor IDs directly in the predecessors column. These links let Project calculate dates automatically and expose the critical path. If you want more realism, assign resources. In the resource sheet, list your team members or equipment, then return to the Gantt chart and use the resource names column to assign them to tasks. This helps Project understand availability and can highlight overallocation before it becomes a problem. Finally, adjust and refine. Move tasks as needed and let dependencies drive new dates. Split tasks if work is interrupted. Add notes to capture assumptions or constraints. Review the timeline and the critical path to confirm your sequence is achievable. Save your file, and you've built a solid project schedule.